How to remove app from hidden apps folder on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to remove the hidden apps? Then you're in the right place. First, I'll start by showing you how to hide the app. So choose the app that you want to hide and long press on it, and then there you'll see require face ID. Tap on it and then it will ask you hide and require face ID. So tap on it and then uh, tap on hide app. Now the app will be removed from your home screen. Now to find it, you'll need to swipe to the very left and you'll reach the app library. Then scroll to the bottom and here you'll find the hidden apps folder. Tap on it, it will scan your face ID and there you'll find the app that you have hidden. So you just have to long press on the app and then tap on don't require face ID. Scan your face ID again and it will be removed. However, it won't appear on the home screen automatically. Now here in the app library itself, you need to search for the app and then long press on it and drag it to your home. And that's it. This is how you remove hidden apps from the hidden folder. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.